remove your money from CBEX or Pixels now. Nigeria government just released one latest update that might affect or bounce on you having your money inside CBEX or Pixels. Not quite long, let me say yesterday, Nigeria government came with a news saying that anybody promoting personal scheme in Nigeria will be sentenced to 10 years imprisonment or get a fine of 20 million naira to 40 million naira. So the only thing you have to do now is to withdraw or find the means of getting your money out of CBEX. Just let me see if CBEX should be one of the ponzi scheme. The reason why I called CBEX a ponzi scheme is this: when you go to a website in Nigeria called SEC is where you can check any ponzi scheme website or anything relating to crypto website that is legally approved by Nigeria. So now, let me now say, when you go to the site, you can never get CBEX or Pixels on that website. So that make it to look like a ponzi scheme. So whenever I say something is ponzi scheme, you should understand putting 10 naira to accumulate 1 million naira, because I know the way you guys is doing to like invest $100 into CBEX, then you get $15,000 from CBEX. This let me say this is just the way CBEX work. Old investors are the one paying the new investors. So you are the new investors. If anything should happen now, the old investors are not ready to invest again or more. CBEX is going to crash in just one day. So let me now say this, that there's one great news that I'm just happy about being into crypto and every other thing like that. Nigeria government said cryptocurrency trading is now legal in Nigeria, not like before when we do say crypto trading is illegal. They said crypto is going to support our economy and stand as security in Nigeria. Let me just say I appreciate Nigeria government for like lifting the ban on cryptocurrency. They said we trading cryptocurrency now is now legal. So ebamisofun àwọn ọlọ́pàá, all those policemen, all these people around the streets, holding, when they see us with Bybit, when they see us with crypto site, crypto app on our app, then they call us criminal. So now that we are crypto trading, crypto assets is now legally approved in Nigeria, then we should be moving safe, because most of the time when I want to travel, I do find the means of keeping the phone I use for crypto, because I know Nigeria police will say you are always a Yahoo boy, being clean, being neat, just because you get money, you use iPhone, you don't be Yahoo guys with that. So let me now say this is the very interesting story. That is the interesting story. This thing won't enter my head, confusing. Let me say the interesting part is crypto trading is now legally approved, but this ponzi scheme of a thing. Let me go back to CBEX. If you are still having your money in CBEX or Pixels now, the only advice I can give to you that is going to help your entire career, you may later find this regrettable, but let me say this video is going to help your money inside CBEX, because if Nigeria can say they want to be banning any ponzi scheme platform, CBEX is a ponzi scheme, because whenever you put $1 in CBEX, you are waiting for a return of $100. So that is also a ponzi scheme. The only thing you have to do now is to go and withdraw your money, because Nigeria may even come in next week and say that ponzi, that waiting they call them, that CBEX where you now they put their money, we won't go check waiting they run for that website. So whenever you see like Nigeria government even know anything happening in this country, the way you are posting, the way influencers do post about CBEX, that CBEX, they are making money from CBEX. Do you think our Nigeria, at the Senate, the leaders, the top holders in Nigeria, they are not into that? Like they are seeing the way everything is going online, so they will later do some investigation and call out. It's not like MMM. And since the Nigeria government came out yesterday to say if you are into personal scheme, you are promoting ponzi scheme, this is going to like bounce back on influencer like me. Any crypto project coming to my DM this time around, please be careful with me. I may even be the one reporting you to Nigeria government. Just be careful with me. I don't want to go 10 years imprisonment. Where I want to see 20 million, 40 million, the money we have for you to invest, they carry lawyer, they face. Even before you say you want carry lawyer for Nigeria, you know Nigeria, you know the way Nigeria work. You may even get right lawyer to work for you, but before you get lawyer, they first arrest you, put for prison for 20 years. After 20 years, they're gonna check your, they go check your 5K, see waiting this guy do after 20 years. Then they go later say this guy, maybe the guy not do waiting rough like that. But me coming to my DM as a personal scheme platform, I know they do again. I don't want to go enter prison. So guys, with this, the only informative advice in this video is to like go to your CBEX platform, your Pixels platform, then withdraw your money. Now withdraw your money, because if this thing should happen to you, I don't want to see anybody dragging CBEX or dragging anybody online, because we are here to create series of video about this platform. But you will never hear. That is Nigeria for us. But when that thing now happen finish, now then you come dey shout say CBEX carry your money go, this one carry your money go. No be say they carry your money go. Now you know use your mental sense for wetin you dey do. So guys, with this, I think I'm supportive enough, even presenting like this. I never even put PG inside my video before. I never they use Yoruba, but I just want to make this thing very interesting and like let me pass some informative information to my Nigeria crypto audience. So guys, with this, bye for now. Odabo, Klamasonibu. So thank you guys for watching this video. Till we meet again.